At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the emergency list. The emergency list shows everyone who's currently signed in, giving you an up-to-date record of those who will need to be accounted for in the event of an emergency. You can filter and sort the columns easily. For example, sort the list of names alphabetically or sort by status of found or not found. Plus, you've got the photo from the user profile on the left-hand side for quick identification. When carrying out a roll call, you can check the tick box to mark each individual as found to ensure everyone is accounted for. The emergency list can be accessed from any device of the browser, for example, a phone or tablet, or you can choose to export or print the list from the right-hand side. You can use the list for multiple locations, so during a fire evacuation, for example, several people can go through the list at the same time, marking individuals as found, and the list will update in real time to prevent any crossover. To use this function, hit the green Start Session button above the list. Once you close that session, it will be logged and you can access the roll call history from that session at any time by hitting the Emergency Sessions option under Favorites on the left-hand side navigation. You can also access the emergency list from the VisiPoint device by tapping on your logo 8 times. Once you've done this, a hidden menu will appear. From there, you can select Emergency List and print it out directly through the badge printer.